Hello everyone, my name's Steve from the School Locker, and we've just created a brand new online learning series called Learn from Home, and it's all about engaging with parents and teachers and also with students that they can feel more confident to learn from the comfort of their own home. In this series we will explore some amazing tools for creating incredibly engaging content, doing podcasts on various workshops like stop motion, green screening, 3D design, robotics, coding, virtual reality environments and much more. Plus, we will be giving schools optional online live streaming professional learning for both student and teacher sessions to boost your confidence with technology and get the absolute best out of your devices and apps.
Get your Legos together and use your creative imaginations to build a spaceship.
I won the International NASA Lego Design Competition and got to design and build a spaceship that will be displayed at the Kennedy Space Center at Cape Canaveral. I also got to hang out with astronauts and various NASA team members, and so I'll be creating some videos of my experiences and answering any questions that students might have to hopefully inspire them to create amazing projects.
When they try to turn a wrench, like they do on Earth, in that simulated space, they just spin around like this.
Yeah.